What's up, guys? Excuse me, I have a cold, so bear with me. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my beaded bracelets, stretch cord bracelets, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I have. So these are 8mm beads, and these are glass beads. So it's like crackled on one side and then like a solid silver on the other side. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but yes. And I'm doing a bracelet for a 6-inch wrist size. It's in centimeters, 15 centimeter. I always put an extra bead once I'm finished just to make sure it fits right. So I got my tools. I have my scissors. I got my flathead pliers, and I have a round. So I'm gonna need both of those because I am adding a charm. I don't know if you can see what that says, but it says Beaded Diva. These are just alloy charms I got off. Can you see that? Can you? Yes. So I got that from AliExpress, and these are my jump rings. So I'm going to be using this color. Nope, wait. This color jump ring because it matches the beads. Okay, so, and for my stretch cord, I'm using an 8mm stretch cord, clear. This fits better through the small hole. And I'm also going to show you guys how to tie the knot. So this way it can go through the bead and hide the knot so people don't see it. It's a pet peeve of mine. I hate seeing it. Don't let people see it. And these are my spacers. Okay, let's see. You can see that. They're like snowflake spacers. Okay, so let's get started. So because I don't like to waste cord, I keep the cord on. I hate wasting stuff. And I'll just go ahead and start. Put my bead on. Grab my spacer. Just put it in, just like that. So you don't really have to count your beads because to put the charm on, because it's the same color beads and not putting anything different on. But if I was using different beads or different size beads, different color beads, or doing a design, I will count, make sure each side have the same amount, and then I would line up my charm. I've seen some people, they make the entire bracelet first and then add the charm on. We'll see. I don't usually do that though. Yeah, so saying this is my first video. I'm very excited, guys. I've been trying to start this for years and I keep putting it off. You know, I don't know if I have the personality for it. I don't know if I can do it. Just a whole bunch of negative stuff. But today I turned my camera on. I got my light. I got my tripod. So yeah. 2020, guys. 2020. Okay. So basically here on my channel you'll be seeing everything, all the mistakes. Hopefully I don't have beads flying and cord breaking and yeah, that's the journey with beaded bracelets. And also all the sets, all the bracelets I make, I will be making stacks, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be filming the entire stacks or filming it the same day. But I've been making stacks. They will be on my website for sale. So if you like it, buy it. And if you guys have any questions, comments, leave it below. Remember to like this video, subscribe, you know, do to do. And I'm gonna just put my charm on now. So let's get my jump ring. That's my jump ring. Right there. See that? So it's a double loop. Gonna put my charm on. This is how I do it, guys. People do things differently. Everybody has their own technique. This is just how I do it. Easy peasy. Spread it through. This is just a simple bracelet. Just like a beginner's kind of thing. But it should look pretty. So basically all I'm doing is just put in a bead and then a spacer, bead, spacer, bead, spacer. Simple. You guys also comment down below what size beads you like, because I have customers asking for smaller beads. I have customers asking for 12mm beads. Me personally, I like the 12mm beads. It just pops, looks better. But anyone with a smaller wrist, 8mm bead, I think that's perfect. If I'm doing a stack, I prefer 10mm beads to do stacks. But some people like the 8mm beads to do the stack. So to each his own. Okay, so right now I'm going to measure to see if it's okay. So because I put the spacers on, see, now it's too big. You can see that. Now it's too big. So I'm gonna take one off and then tie it up. Because also once you tie it up, it shrinks a little. Okay, so here's how I do my knots, and I'm gonna try and pull it through this bead. Kind of give it a little stretch, pull it down, make sure it's nice and snug. And having long nails, guys, don't make this any easier, trust me. So I keep one hand kind of short. So let's see. See? Perfect size. So that was just 2, and this is my 3rd knot, and then I'm not gonna tie it again because I needed to go through the bead hole. Let's pull it real tight and see. Cut it off just like that. Okay, so right here you can see that knot. See the knot right there. I'm gonna pull that through this bead hole, and if you're using the 1 inch cord, that won't work for this because the bead hole is very small, so you'd have to use the smaller one. And you got to be careful when you're pushing it through because you don't want to warp your cord either. So I just kind of, you know, like when you're shimmying and you put on your tight jeans, you just shimmy it on. I just shimmy it in, and it's done just like that. Pretty. Be Diva. Yes. Now my wrist is more of the 16, but let's see. I mean, it fits, but it's a bit snug. Can you see that? Simple. And if you don't want the charm, you can take the charm off. And this is how you remove your bracelets, guys. Don't yank at it. It's a cord, it will break. So that's it. I'm sure you guys can see charm. Okay, so I am done for today. What I'm gonna do, I might add this to a stack that I already have, or I might give it away, or I might just put it up for sale. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think? So guys, comment down below if you want to see me do more bracelets. I am gonna be having a lot more beads. I am on Instagram. You'll see all my sets on Instagram. I won't put my videos on Instagram, only the sets at @clasac_designs. And you can go check it out. Subscribe or follow me, comment. My Etsy shop is linked, is in my bio on my Instagram page, so you'll see. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I mostly do beaded bracelets. I can do other stuff. I don't really use wire. I don't have any wire. I stopped using wire. It wasn't my favorite, so I just stuck to the cord or the black elastic stretch ones. Let me know you guys want to see. Any questions, let me know. and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching. Bye.